Welcome. Take a deep breath and imagine a vision of transformation, of dedication, of dreams becoming reality. Here lies a 1957 Mercedes Benz 300SL Gullwing, once abandoned, weathered by time, left in a junkyard, rusted, and forgotten. But what you see is not the end. It is a beginning, a story of patience, care, and relentless pursuit of excellence. This car, silver gray in color, with its iconic gullwing doors, represents more than engineering, it represents persistence. Every crack in its paint, every spot of rust, every layer of dust tells a story of endurance. And now, it is your canvas. Imagine the soft bristles of a brush gliding over the hood, the gentle wiping of a microfiber cloth removing decades of neglect. Each motion, deliberate, calm, and satisfying, sets the tone for transformation. Every detail matters. The care you invest becomes the reflection of your dedication. As we move to the interior, picture the worn leather seats, dusty and cracked, the dashboard faded with age. With slow, mindful motions, you lift each panel, remove each bolt, revealing hidden potential. The tactile experience is profound. Your hands feel the history, the contours, the textures. And with every careful adjustment, every screw tightened, every surface polished, the car begins to whisper its gratitude. Step into the workshop of possibilities. The undercarriage, once caked in rust and grime, now slowly cleansed with flowing water, the suspension glinting under warm lights. The engine, removed carefully, examined, restored, reassembled with precision. Every piston, every bolt, every polished surface is a testament to focus and skill. In life, as in restoration, it is the small, consistent actions that lead to greatness. Nothing can replace patience. Nothing can replace attention. This car teaches us that every challenge, every imperfection, is a chance to create something extraordinary. The bodywork comes next. Rust-filled panels sanded smooth, primer applied, paint brushed on with care, layers upon layers, building toward perfection. Step back. Admire the reflective silver gray surface, the gleam in the light. This is more than metal and paint. It is effort made visible. The process is slow, intentional, almost meditative. The car transforms under your hands, and as it transforms, so too does the spirit of the one restoring it. Now imagine polishing the chrome trim, buffing the headlights, reinstalling the wheels, tightening the lug nuts, each motion slow, satisfying, purposeful. The interior gleams, leather seats shine under soft light, dashboard panels click into place. The steering wheel, once removed, is carefully centered and secured. The glass, wiped to perfection, allows the world to see clearly, just as clarity comes with persistence. The car, once forgotten, now exudes pride, elegance, and strength. And this is your triumph too, the embodiment of vision realized. Picture the final moments. The gullwing doors rise in unison, showcasing curves, lines, and legacy. The engine hums softly, alive, powerful, a reward for your patience. The tires roll slowly, smooth and confident. Light reflects off every surface, highlighting what care, attention, and dedication can achieve. This car, once abandoned, is now extraordinary. And so are you. Remember, nothing worth achieving happens instantly. Transformation requires persistence, care, and focus. It requires believing that what seems broken can become breathtaking. As the final wide shot captures the fully restored 1957 Mercedes Benz 300SL Gullwing, let it remind you, every challenge is temporary. Every rusted layer, every obstacle is an opportunity. Dedication brings brilliance. Patience brings excellence. Hard work brings dreams to motion. You have the ability to restore, to transform, to create beauty from neglect, to shine in places others see as broken. This car is a mirror of what is possible in life, your potential, polished to perfection. Take a slow breath. Feel the calm, the satisfaction, the sense of accomplishment. Let it resonate. Carry it with you. Remember the transformation, the meticulous care, the focus, the patience. Let it inspire your own journey, one step at a time, one deliberate motion at a time, until your dreams gleam as brightly as the 1957 Mercedes Benz 300SL Gullwing under soft workshop lights. You are capable of greatness. You are capable of transformation. Just like this car, you can rise, shine, and become extraordinary. Let this restoration remind you, dreams in motion.
Mercedes. It's a low mistake. The goat's tail. Voiceover.